Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Suppose you're new to my channel. What I do here is learn how to troubleshoot and do cool things on PC and Android gadgets. If that interests you, consider subscribing to get updated with every new video I upload. Today we would be learning how to create a delete script for a particular location on our drive where we always delete unwanted files. So we don't have to navigate each directory one after the other whenever we intend to delete stuff. Without wasting any more time, let's dive in. Here, I have a folder from where I usually delete files. I'm going to try to delete all the contents in this folder. As soon as I run a batch script, everything in this folder gets deleted, which includes files in the subdirectory. Let me show you how you can create this for yourself. Copy the path to your directory. Open the text editor and tap the following command. Click and save as a .bat file. There you go. Try it out yourself. If you want to learn how to create 1 million folders in 2 minutes, check my video, the link is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment to see more content like this.